going on? It's Your Weekend Gardener here with Evie.
Hi guys.
What's up? All right, today we got a new fruit we're gonna taste test. Does anyone know what this is? Wild guess. Well, you probably saw the description and the title. But this is a yellow date, or I think it's called a yellow bahari.
Interesting.
I probably said the name wrong. I probably butchered it. This BARHI. Whatever that is. Okay, have no idea where these little dudes are from, but usually dates that I've seen, they become dehydrated.
Oh, I never see. Okay.
Like have you seen the brown dates? Sometimes you see them in bags. Here in America, we have them in like little bags, or if you go to the grocery store, you can scoop them up, put them in a bag, take them home and eat them. They're like raisins. They look like raisins. Have you ever seen them?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So dates are supposed to be very, very good for you. They're high in fiber. Have you had a date before, right?
No, never had. No?
Yellow date, nothing?
Nothing.
Okay. I've never had a yellow date either. I've never even heard of them. I saw them in the international market and I was like, that's interesting. Now, what's the word, you know the Portuguese word for date?
Date is namoro.
Namoro?
Yeah, namoro.
Namora.
Namoro is a date, like love date.
That's a different kind of date.
Oh.
That's going out on a date.
Oh.
This is the fruit date, so I'm assuming there's no Portuguese word for date.
Yeah, I need to research. We'll be here.
Okay, so we're gonna research. You know what? We're gonna do it right now while we have time.
Yeah.
And since this video is only
you have some notifications.
we're 2 minutes into this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share, please. Okay. Just put, you know how to spell date, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's put it in Portuguese. Yeah. What the word is.
Oh no, it's not.
Yeah. Okay. So while she's doing that, I got the handy dandy 2024.
Let me see.
I'm gonna cut it open, and there's a seed inside, which is surprising.
Show the guys.
That's inside.
Interesting.
Okay. Absolutely nothing. That's crazy.
Nothing at all?
No smell.
Let me.
This can actually get past a dog. Like if you're going through customs.
Wow, those smell.
Okay.
Zero.
It's a little tougher than an apple. It's kind of dry inside, no moisture, well, a little bit of moisture. So you know what I always say.
Yeah, let me see. Let me taste.
No? Okay, that's it for today. Taste test is over. What's your number?
3. No, 2.
2. Okay, you heard it. You heard it from Evie, 2. So, Your Weekend Gardener, and we out.
No.
No?
It's your turn. Okay.
These supposed to be good for you.
This is your.
What's the Portuguese word for it?
I don't know, baby, because date means a lot of things in Portuguese. It's crunchy, right?
Crunchy. It's actually very sweet.
Yes, but it's weird.
It's very sweet, yeah.
I don't like it.
It is weird. Consistency of an apple. Dryness like a jujube.
But jujube is more moist inside.
This is a funny one. This is like on the fence because This is a good nasty taste. Real peculiar.
2,000 years later.
I don't know on this one, folks.
I can hear it, the crunchiness.
Okay.
Number.
I'll give it a 3. But I will probably eat the rest of these like in something.
Oh.
I think this is like a companion fruit. You know what companion?
Companion, yeah. But it together with what?
Yeah, by itself, no.
No.
Dehydrated. If you could dehydrate this, maybe yes. I probably would have it with since it's healthy and I'm on a health kick now. I'm trying.
Oh, yeah.
I probably
Fibers.
Yeah. I probably would put it in like oatmeal.
Okay.
Cut it up real small, put it in oatmeal.
Yeah, I'll try. Tomorrow, right?
Yeah, if I saw this in the store, no. I wouldn't even look at it. I wouldn't look at it at all. So if you see yellow dates in the store, eat at your own risk. So that's a no for me. Nah. Your Weekend Gardener, Evie.
Bye, guys.
Peace. And I'm out.
Yeah, it's weird.
So does this mean you're gonna eat the rest of them when I'm not looking? You sure?
I don't know.
Yeah, I think you will. They're gonna be gone tomorrow. Look at that. My dog don't even.
He likes it.
He likes it? And your dog is greedy.
He's not greedy. He's just healthy.
Nah, he greedy.
The taste is similar with the coconut.
Yeah.
Coconut.
Yeah. It does have a coconut kind of consistency taste.
Yeah. The hard part of the coconut.
Yeah. The meat.
Yes, the meat. Romeo love.
You just gonna eat with your mouth open, homeboy? You know that's not polite.
He need fibers.
Yeah.
Oh, so cute. He eating.
Nah, you ain't cute.
Yum, yum, yum.
Yeah, I'm done.